Today we're going to show you how to change view settings in the new Haven Lighting app. The new Haven Lighting app has two ways to show your lights. There's the classic list view and the new revolutionary visual interface. To swap between the two is easy. Simply tap the menu at the top right, select View Settings, and then under Lights and Zones, select Image View or List View. When you first load up Image View, you will need to add an image. You can either take a photo with your camera or load an image from your camera roll. Now you're ready to drag and drop zones. Make sure you watch our video on our visual interface to see how. For more information, visit havenlighting.com and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.